What's up, everybody? Average Model Guy here, bringing you back to the Ford LNT 8000 Snowplow. Looks like we're going to be starting off with the engine today. I believe most of everything is going to be on this sprue right here, and then probably the rest is going to be on the chrome tree, I'm assuming. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get that all together, glued up, and yeah, we'll get the whole engine assembly, and then I'll come back with it assembled, and then we'll get some paint on it. I will be back when this is all assembled. Alright, I'm well into the engine build here. I wanted to bring something to your attention. Let me see if I can tone the light off a little bit for 1 second here. Okay, so I'm well into the engine build here, and in the instructions it wants you to put this air compressor on this bracket. Well, I got the bracket on, okay, which is not the problem. It kind of a loose fit, but just make sure you're holding it on there for a little bit, okay? So the issue that I had is, if you look at this air compressor here, all right, now I looked and looked all over the chrome tree and could not find a part that looked exactly like that. I actually had to go to the box, and if you look on the side of the engine, there's a piece right here sticking up which mimics this piece right here. So this is the air compressor that they're talking about. I don't know if you guys have had issues with that before, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention, that the directions on this are not exactly right. So this little piece right here is your actual air compressor. Alright, and that's going to fit right on that bracket. Once I get everything together and you can see on there, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about a lot better. So I'll be back once I get the engine assembled, or if I find anything else wrong. Alright, we're back. Final engine assembly here. I'm going to go ahead and leave these off the engine until I actually get it mounted on the frame. Obviously it's our exhaust. These actually had pins right at the 90 there. You had to cut the pins off and then glue them face to face, which was kind of weird. I don't understand the logic behind that. I don't know if you can see it too well. I think I did a good job with the seam, but yeah, definitely weird. The whole engine assembly was kind of weird. Let me see if I can adjust some lighting here. It's a little better. So, yep, got it all together. Got the engine mounts on. I left the radiator hoses off too. It's ended up being 29 parts total to put the engine together, minus 4 pieces there, and then 2 pieces for the upper and lower radiator hoses. So 23 pieces then for the entire engine. So get it all together. I'm going to go ahead and get her painted up. And well, I'm going to primer it first, and I'll probably leave it there for tonight. We'll call this episode good here once I put primer on it, and then I guess for the next one you'll see it finished painted, and then we'll go on to our next steps. So alright, well, if you liked the video, don't forget to slap the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe if you want to keep watching this build. And to all my new subscribers that I've gotten recently here, thank you. I appreciate the subscription, and we'll see you in the next build. Thanks.